Just making a quick video here. Yep. So stop by here at Costco again, and they have toolboxes. They didn't have these last week.
Oh yeah.
Pretty cool stuff. Hello, hello, hello. So yeah, Costco, awesome deals all the time. Toolboxes out of nowhere. Also, workspace. Anyway, deals are on sale. I got this TV, been saving up. I've got a 12-year-old 1080p TV that I'm replacing with some 4K Samsung action. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yeah. Alright, my battery's about to die, so peace. See you next time.
55.
They got them back in stock.
30. No, 40. 39. So 55.
What's this?
So 95. And then
I think I did real good for $1.99, and then I spent $10 on those tips. I got some new tips and they fit great. So I'll do a video on my pressure washer because I'm so pumped about it. Maybe clean an engine bay or something. All right, seriously, I'm out of here. Got to get back to work, back to the shop. Costco is stocked up today. Damn, that's a lot of toilet paper.